repeat, do not make another vision board this year.
She's right.
Step away from the poster board, put that marker down.
Arts Workfly. Today I will be showing you 5 different ways that you can create a vision board and make it fun and creative. And stick around until the end of the video so you can find out my personal way of displaying my vision and a good explanation on why I stopped doing vision boards. So number 1 is to have a vision board party where your friends or your family members come together and share their goals. Or number 2, do it by yourself where it becomes a bit more personal. You can choose to frame it or not.
The reason why I'm framing the vision board is so that I can hang it up right by my desk and I'll be able to see it every single day. It's really important to have your vision board in a place that you frequent so that consciously or subconsciously you will have constant reminders of your why and what you're working so hard towards.
So here's my vision board from last night. Voila. So what I've got on here, it says, hello A, find the best in you.
Number 3, you can create a digital vision board where you can easily transfer it to your iPad or your phone.
Export the image and then you can use it for whatever device you wanted. So I just airdropped it over to my iPad and decided that I wanted to use it as my iPad background. And I just really love the way that it turned out. So I just have this as my background. So every single time that I open my iPad, I will see all those images.
Every single time we answer a phone call, we're about to send a text message, we want to read our emails. Every time we are going to Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is, we're going to open up this phone, and before we get to it, we'll see the vision. And that is going to be constantly downloaded into our mind where it is, because you know it's very important that you see it before you see it. That's another story for another day, okay?
Number 4, create a vision book.
I have the vision book that I am using here. This is one of them. I just grabbed this nice little journal here from Walmart. It was only $5. Now, if you are feeling a little bit more fancy and you don't want to spend that $5, you got a little bit more of a budget for it, you could get a nice one like this. Ooh, y'all see that? It has the little clasp on it, like such. When you turn it that way, it gives me like the Bible vibes, honestly. You see the little goat on the outside? One thing I always hear a lot of successful people do every single day is read a book. And this is one of the best books that you can add to your collection.
Last but not least, my personal way of displaying my vision is putting it in my prayer journal. If you want to see that video, please ensure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and comment. It really helps out the channel. Now, the reason why I stopped doing vision boards and displayed is because basically Lina Lore and Jenny with the Hilltops are a good explanation.
I like to do my vision board alone because I don't want to be consciously or subconsciously influenced by what anyone else puts on their board. For example, someone else's goal might be to get a new car, and even though that's not a goal of mine, I might be like, yeah, you know what, a new car does sound good, and end up putting it on my vision board. Also, you know, I'm Miss Keep It Secret Until It's Secure, and I just believe in keeping your goals to yourself unless you've accomplished them. Unless, of course, you're sharing them with someone who can help you with those goals, but most of the time, that's not the case. So, with that being said, the vision board I'm creating here is just an example for demonstration purposes. You know, you have no idea who is lurking on these YouTube streets with their bad juju vibes. I'm just kidding, kinda, not really, but okay, moving along.
You know, one thing I found myself doing after I made that wonderful vision board on that poster, I made that board and I folded that thing in half and tucked it away into my closet. And the reason that I stuck it in my closet, I got a couple of reasons why, but one of the main reasons that I did that was because I did not want the entire world to see what my vision, all of my heart's contents that I poured out onto that poster board. I didn't want to expose that to any and everybody to come and see. Because let me tell you one thing, the world does not have the same vision that you have. Other people cannot see exactly how you see. Our vision is our vision. And a lot of people won't understand it sometimes. So then they go to speaking against your vision. And I don't know if you know this, but words are very powerful, whether they come from you or from someone else. So it is our responsibility. It is our duty to protect our visions at all costs. And that's why I didn't really want to expose it. And some of you may be saying, you know what, I'll keep it in my room on the wall. I'll put it on the wall in my closet where I can only see it. Well, one thing I mentioned was that we're protecting it from the world, but sometimes we also need to protect it from family. Ooh, I know it's stung. But this is the truth that I am telling you guys. 2022, we are dealing with the truth, whether it's ugly or not, okay? So sometimes we have to protect that vision from family, like I said as well. And so not that I felt like, me personally, I had to protect it from family, but I just always close that thing up and put it away.
So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, you can always do whatever you want. I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.